Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the mains rating and the new circuit's anticipated load, so you pick the correct breaker and cable. Once done, turn the main breaker off and apply lockout/tagout to prevent accidental re-energizing. Next, put on gloves and eye protection and verify 0 volts at the switch with a properly rated meter. You must trust the reading. If the meter shows live, stop and re-evaluate before proceeding. Now route the appropriately gauged cable through conduit to the switchboard, keeping bends gentle and securing clamps to code. You want a clean path. Strip conductors to the required length and identify phase, neutral, and earth, then connect each to the new breaker or terminal. Make sure you torque the screw to the manufacturer's spec. Loose connections heat and fail. Once wired, tidy conductors and label the new circuit so anyone inspecting later knows what it feeds. Before you re-energize, recheck every connection visually and with a torque wrench. Make sure labels and covers are in place. You then remove lockout and switch the main back on while watching the panel. Perform insulation resistance and functional tests on the new circuit and feel terminals for abnormal heat. If the breaker trips or you detect overheating, shut down immediately. The most common fix is a loose conductor or undersized cable, so recheck terminations, correct any miswiring, and rebalance loads before retrying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.